Ali Hunter tutorial. The most important thing when starting your Shopify store is finding the right product to sell. Finding the right product can be a very time-consuming and tedious task. With Ali Hunter platform, you will be able to cut down the amount of time that you will be spending on research. It will also show you some of the top-selling products for various stores or different niches, and you can also paste in the URL of your favorite Shopify store to find out what are their best sellers and so on. So this is definitely a good research tool if you're planning to start doing some drop shipping. And in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to use alihunter.io. To get started, you can sign up for completely free. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. And all you'll need to do now, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there, you're going to tap on products. After tapping on products, you could tap on enter product keyword. So for example, let's say I were to type in makeup just for example's sake. After you have done that, you can tap on enter, and then from there you're going to see numerous reviews or numerous results, better yet, and all you have to do is hover over a result, then tap on quick view. Then from there you'll be able to watch the product video, so you could tap on play. And another thing that I have found useful with this platform is you'll be able to find numerous product videos and also numerous high quality product images using this platform. So all you need to do, you can simply do that. You could tap on bestseller right here, and then from there you'll be able to find best sellers in that particular category. So all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can see them right there. The only thing that I don't see with this platform is you cannot zone down on the time that these products were released or so on. You can tap on trendy product and you'll also be able to view trending products in that particular niche or keyword. Another thing that you can also do with this platform is by going over to the left-hand menu option, you could tap on Ads Spy. And again, from here, you could type in a particular keyword right there, and you'll be able to see the different ads that are currently running for that keyword. You can also choose the platform that you would like to research. So for example, you could select TikTok, and then you can see the Shopify ads that are running on TikTok for any particular product or niche. You can also select Facebook, as you can see right here, and you can see the different ads that are running on Facebook at the moment. So you can simply type in your keyword, or you can select a particular category. So for example, let's say I were to select kitchen and dining. You can also zone down and you can tap on all countries, and then from there you can select a specific country, for example United States. Then after doing that, you'll be able to see the ads that are currently running. You can see it right there. So you can get different product research ideas, as you can see here. You can also zone down the amount of impressions, as you can see here, and you can also do your research by interaction. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left-hand menu option once more, you could tap on Store Analysis. After tapping on Store Analysis, from here you can zone down by country. So for example, I could tap on Store Data, then I could type in United States, then you could select United States right there, and you can see some of the top selling stores in United States. And you can select any one of these stores, as you can see right here. So you'll be able to view their products. You could tap on View Details. After tapping on View Details, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you'll be able to see their sales over a particular time, and you can also scroll down and you can see some of their top products, and you can also see the average view duration and the amount of visits that they are getting monthly and so on. Some basic data, you can see their top visited countries and so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.